Hello and welcome back to Chateau de Gear. So, as you know, the last video I did a tie-dye on all white fabric, and I did some black, some brown, some green, and some yellow, and I let it sit overnight and let it soak through. And so today I want to show you what happened. I want to show you what happened that I definitely did not expect, but this is what it looks like today. Whoa. This is what it looks like today. And this is a big difference from what it looked like on the first video. So I'm going to open it up and we will get to see at the same time what the outcome is. Are you ready? I'm ready because I want to see what artful design has come from this double layer and this folded and slightly bound color process tie-dye, ink tie-dye. So far this is this side, okay? This is the opposite side. Let's hope the inside is just as patternful or faded. Now this is what the inside is looking like. I don't know if I'm gonna be happy. This I thought was a little too much, but we'll have to see everything. We'll have to see everything. Okay. I'm kind of scared. Okay, here's the other inside, the main inside. So I think I'm gonna need to stand up to get all of this shown. Okay, let's go ahead and open up the next layer. Let's see where we are. 1 and 2. Okay, here is the inside there. Okay, here is the outside. It's falling apart before I can get to it, but I think so far it's looking pretty okay. Let's see what. I think I love it. Oh wow, I think I love it. Oh, look, I think I love this. I think I love this. Now the only part that is really heavily colored is this part here. Is here. Wow. I like the horizontal line, the deep horizontal line, and some of the vertical line. I like that. Wow. I think I love it. I really think I love it. I'm impressed. So there's barely any green. I was trying to get a lot of green, but it was overtaken. So this is, let's see if I can get you to see that. This is the green that there is right in here. But I wanted more green than that, but it's okay. I think this color print is beautiful. I think it's beautiful for what I got. Let's see. I think it's beautiful. Let's see. I'm interrupted again. So let's get back into this video. I am in love with the look that did come out. It is so gorgeous to me. I'm satisfied. I didn't get enough green, but it's okay. It's okay. This is just fabulous. This is fabulous. It's so pretty. I love these dark lines in there. The camera isn't doing this any justice. And remember, this fabric, it has a sheen to it. It's not a super shiny sheen, but it's sort of a matte sheen. So this color is really, it makes the fabric look much more expensive. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I love it. Look at, I want you to get a look at the darker, if it won't fall all the way. It fell. So look at the crustier part. Let me see. I can get it. I'm trying to trying to bring it up so you can see it. But right, these two areas, these last two rows, that crustier part is so gorgeous. I can't believe I did all 3 yards. I did all 3 yards. So this is the part that I'm loving. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. You can see I have some of the yellow in there, and I have some of that green blue. So the yellow did come through in some areas and contribute a little bit more color factor. It really looks nice, guys. It really looks nice. It's darker than what you're seeing on the screen. Look at how pretty that is. Look at how pretty that is. I love that. It's so pretty. I'm amazed. I am definitely amazed. Look at how pretty this is. That is gorgeous. Really pretty. And the softer edges here, it's just so pretty. It's really pretty. I'm proud of it. I love it. I'm gonna give you one more full view. I'm gonna stand back as far as I can. Let's see. I'm gonna do it the other way. Let's see if I can get you to see. Remember, this is 3 yards, so I'm not tall enough for you to see everything, but look at that. That's so pretty. That is so pretty. I'm happy about it. Now all I need to do is wrap it on the mannequin. Look at that. is pretty. Look at that. Don't you think that's beautiful? Oh, I'm in love with it. I am in love with it. And I cannot wait to cut. I cannot wait to cut out the next outfit. I can't wait. This is so pretty. So yummy and pretty. That yellow, that is so pretty. I'm happy. And I think I could have added some more yellow. That would have been, but I was trying something and I was afraid. I didn't want to mess it up, you know. It's really pretty though. It's really pretty. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that well, but that is so pretty. Ah, there's nothing like seeing it in person. Nothing like it. So I just wanted to show that to you. We got a pattern reveal, a tie-dye reveal today, and it's just gorgeous. I'm happy about it, and I cannot wait to cut it out. So pretty. So pretty. So you have to get into this ink tie-dye process because it just really opens up something beautiful. You won't believe it. And like I said, I love the ink tie-dye. I really do. I feel like I'm putting, but I'm not. It's not rubbing off. Felt like I was rubbing off some paint, but it's not. Ah, just gorgeous, guys. I just don't know what to. I wish you could enjoy it as much as I am. It's just a beautiful piece of tie-dyed art that I get to make something out of. Blouse, skirt, whole dress, a boho, something. It's got so much potential. So much potential. And I can't wait to do it. I can't wait to do it. It's just gorgeous. So many options. All right. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to show you that, and I have. So let me know what you think about this beautiful ink tie-dye that I did, and what would you design with that? What would you make with this beautiful print? What would you make? Right? So, once again, I would definitely appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel, like the channel, and of course hit the notification bell so that you will be able to see when I have posted something else, like what I did with the fabric. Yeah, so do that. I'm looking forward to your input, your comments, and even share my channel so that I can get some more subscribers. I only have a few. I want to, by the end of the summer, I would like to have at least 500 subscribers. That would be awesome. So share it with someone, encourage them to subscribe to my channel so that I can get this ball rolling. Okay, thank you. Just look at how beautiful this ink tie-dye turned out. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it.
It's a runway lifestyle.
I love it.
It's a runway lifestyle. 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 It's a